If you're a fence installer, you know that your work involves protecting your customers' property and ensuring their safety. However, accidents and unexpected events can happen, and that's where business insurance comes in. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of business insurance for fence installers and the types of insurance policies that you may need. As a fence installer, you may encounter various risks, such as property damage, personal injury, and equipment failure. These risks can lead to costly lawsuits and financial losses. Business insurance can help protect you from these risks and provide you with financial security. With business insurance, you can focus on your work without worrying about the financial consequences of unexpected events. There are several types of business insurance policies that fence installers may need. These include 1. General liability insurance. This policy can protect you from claims of property damage or bodily injury that occur as a result of your work. For example, if you accidentally damage a customer's property during the installation process, your general liability insurance can help cover the costs of repairs or replacement. 2. Workers' compensation insurance. If you have employees, you may need workers' compensation insurance. This policy can help cover medical expenses and lost wages if an employee is injured on the job. 3. Commercial auto insurance. If you use a vehicle for work purposes, such as transporting materials or equipment, you may need commercial auto insurance. This policy can help cover the costs of damages or injuries that occur while driving for work. 4. Equipment insurance. If you own expensive equipment, such as power tools or heavy machinery, you may need equipment insurance. This policy can help cover the costs of repairs or replacement if your equipment is damaged or stolen. As a fence installer, it's essential to protect your business from potential risks and financial losses. By getting the right types of business insurance, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of unexpected events. Contact USA Business Insurance to learn more about the business insurance policies that are available for fence installers.